Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to make the West African shrimp soup. It's a collaboration video that I'm making with I Am Aisha TV. You can find her on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description box so you can check out her channel. So the ingredients you're gonna need are some shrimp. You're also gonna need some soy sauce, some salt. I'm using avocado oil. You're also gonna need some minced garlic, some black pepper, and chili powder. You're also going to need some corn, some spinach, and I already chopped up some potatoes, onions, and tomato in this bowl here. I'm also adding half a cup of coconut milk and of course a pot to cook this in. So you already know, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is add some oil to your pot, let it get hot, and add those tomatoes, potatoes, and onions in, and we're gonna let that saute for a bit. Then you're going to add some soy sauce and also some salt to season it. And then we're going to add some garlic, and then I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Let all that soak in, let my flavors get themselves together. Now I'm going to add some chili powder. You can add as much as you would like depending on the amount of heat that you want. And then I'm also going to add some black pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that spinach next. I'm now going to just give this a quick stir, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp in next. Then once you get that in, go ahead and add some chicken broth. I added about maybe a cup right here, about a cup and a half or so. And then I'm going to add my coconut milk, followed by my corn. Okay, go ahead and add your corn, and we're pretty much at the home stretch here. So I'm going to give this a stir, and then I'm gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Aisha actually tried one of my videos too, and that should be up tomorrow. But in the meantime, which one did you think she tried out? Sound off in the comment section and let me know. And this is pretty much it, guys. It was a very easy recipe to follow, and I appreciate Aisha for sharing this with me because my kids absolutely love it. So stay tuned for that bonus clip. But this is pretty much it. It was very quick and easy, and I really liked it. My family did too. So go ahead and check out her channel and see if you guys would like to try it out.
That is so good.
You really like it? Like for real, for real? For real, for real.
Yes!
Okay. I believe you. All right. Well, so do you want them to try it out?
I hope you make it and try it at home. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.
He's so cute. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, you've heard it from my toughest critic. She liked it, so I know you guys will too. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. Until next time. Bye.